Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x minus 1 over square root of x. This is equals to 2 and here x belongs to real number and we will find out the value of x. Now look carefully this expression. Here in denominator part is square root of x. So we can say square root of x is cannot be equals to 0 because square root of x is in denominator. Now here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute square root of x, this is equals to a. We know that square root of positive number is also positive. And if inside the square root is negative number, then this is complex number. And here we will talk about real numbers. So x is positive because if inside the square root is negative, then this expression is complex. So that's why x is greater than 0. And if x is greater than 0, then square root of positive numbers is also positive. It means if we substitute square root of x, this is equals to a, then we can say a is greater than 0. Now, if we take square both side, then in left hand side is square root of x, this is equals to a, and here if we take square, and here is square, then this square and this square root is cancelled out, then x is equals to a square. Here x, this x is replaced by a square minus 1 over, and square root of x is replaced by a. Then here a and this is equals to 2. Now if we multiply both sides a, then in left hand side a is multiplied by a square, then a power 3, and a is multiplied by 1 over a, then we get minus 1, and this is equals to 2 times a. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then a power 3 minus 1 minus 2 times a, this is equals to 0. Here this is cubic equation, a cube, and if we add 1 and subtract 1 and minus 1 minus 2 times a, this is equals to 0. Here a cube plus 1. Look carefully this expression. We know that a cube plus b cube, this is equals to a plus b is multiplied by a square minus a times b plus b square. And here if we substitute b is equals to 1, then in left hand side a cube plus b is replaced by 1, then 1 cube, that is 1, and this is equals to a plus b is replaced by 1, then here 1, and a square minus b is replaced by 1, 1 times a is a, plus b is replaced by 1, then 1 square, that is 1. Here a cube plus 1 is same as a plus 1 is multiplied by a square minus a plus 1. So this expression is replaced by a plus 1 is multiplied by a square minus a plus 1. And here minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. And here minus 2 times a. Here if we take common minus 2, then 1 plus a, and this is equals to 0. Here we know that a plus b is equals to b plus a because addition is commutative. So it means a plus 1 is same as 1 plus a. Now if we take common a plus 1, then a square minus a plus 1 minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here a plus 1 is multiplied by a square minus a, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here product of a plus 1 and a square minus a minus 1, this is equals to 0. So it means here we know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So it means a plus 1, this is equals to 0, a plus 1, this is equals to 0, or a square minus a minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of a is minus 1, and here this is quadratic equation, and we know that quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If we apply this formula here, then value of a is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 minus 1 and divide by 2 times 1. Then a is equals to 1, because minus is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 1, plus minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 is multiplied by 1, then we get minus 4, and minus 4 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 4. Plus 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2. Here values of a is equals to 1, a is equals to, here if we take positive sign, then 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and here value of a is 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But we know that a is greater than 0. Then here value of a is minus 1. So this case is rejected because a cannot be negative. Now here square root of 5 is greater than 1. If square root of 5 is greater than 1, then numerator is negative. And if numerator is negative, then whole expression is negative because denominator is positive. So this value is also negative. So this is also rejected. Here value of a is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. A is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and a is square root of x. This is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square, then x is equals to, in right hand side we will apply base and exponent rule, a over b bracket power m. This is equals to a power m over b power m. If we apply this rule here, then 1 plus square root of 5 whole square divided by 2 square, that is 4. And in numerator if we apply a plus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Then x is equals to 1 square plus square root of 5 square plus 2 times a, that is 1, and here square root of 5 and divide by 4. Then x is equals to 1 square, that is 1, plus square root of 5 is cancelled out by square, then plus 5 plus 2 times square root of 5 over 4. X is equals to 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 2 times square root of 5 over 4. X is equals to, in numerator if we take common 2, then 3 plus square root of 5 over 4. Here if we divide numerator and denominator by 2, then this 2 is cancelled out by 2 and this 4 is divided by 2, then we get 2. Then value of x is 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. Here this is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.